Hello guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Itong dress na to guys, gawa ko to. At I think this is my third dress that I made. I made itself, yes. At yun nga guys, ang pangarap ko. I want to make my own design. Pero ako rin ang magmo-model ng aking gawa. Ayan, gawa ko yan. Meron siyang paganyan dyan sa at ito ay may split siya na ayan, gawa ko yan guys. Tapos yung likod niya ay siya. Ganyan siya, backless. Diba? At itong dress na to guys, may katerno to ginawa ko sa Denmark. I think here I think I made this 2024 nung time na yung time na wala akong magawa sa mundo. At yun nga guys, nangyari ko to. Itong dress na to, sabi kong ganun, isusuot ko lang dito lang sa bahay, parang pambahay lang. At ang pangarap ko talaga guys ay gumawa ng sarili kong disenyo at ako din ang magmo-model gamit ang aking YouTube channels. Kaya natupad naman guys kasi hindi ko alam kung naikwento ko sa inyo kasi dati nag-dressmaking ako. So, I have experience because I've been in school and I'm the type of persons that I love to do something especially about passionating. Kaya tinry ko lang if I can make my own clothes na ako ang nag-design. Ako din ang, ako ang nag-design, ako ang nagtahi. Tahi ko to guys, kaya proud na proud ako sa sarili ko. Yung pagiging dressmaking ko sa Pasay Academy, Mother Ignacia Center. Yung lang yun guys, parang vocational vocational school. At naman, nagamit ko naman ang aking pinag-aralan ng ilang buwan. Undergraduate nga lang kasi nakulang ako sa project guys at I cannot afford to continue because my salary is too small. Pero alam mo yung experience ko na yon that I've been in school in how many months. Proud ako sa sarili ko kasi I learned something new. And I can have my own style, my own design. Gumagawa din ako ng cortina guys, nakagawa ako ng cortina for my daughter's room and tablecloths. Sa totoo lang marami ako. May mga nagawa ako mga punda-punda na I made it like, I use, parang borda ba yun? Or parang pinagtagpi-tagpi na bulaklak, na nabuo siya, naging bulaklak siya, ang niya. Ang parang design niya lang. Kasi ako yung tipong tao guys na masipag, maote, mahilig magbubuting-ting, lalo na pag binigyan mo ako ng chance to hold makina. Tapos kung siguro guys dati kung dati ang course na yan na continue ko sa Denmark, siguro ako gown designer kasi that's my dream to be a gown designer. Para alam mo, ipakita ko man lang na, oh my God, I have my own talents. Kaya, yun guys, sa pamamagitan ng YouTube channels ko, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na mayroon naman akong nagawang bagay na matino-tino sa buhay ko. Sana all. Ayun guys, gusto ko talaga ay maging gown designer. Gusto ko magdisenyo ng gown, yung alam mo kaya nga dati sabi ko ganun. Mag-aaral ako mabuti sa Denmark. I want to study it because of I want to continue my dressmaking to be a professional gown designer or any kind of clothes designer, yung mga ganon. Kaso lang guys, that time is, there's no school in Aarhus for that kind of course. I think it's only there in Copenhagen. So it's so far away from Aarhus. I think, I think it's only, not only, 4 hours to 5 hours if you take train. If you take airplane, it's 1 hour. Yeah, but The problems, guys, is of course you need, you need a place where you can stay. I know naman that it's not expensive because normally if you go to school in Denmark, you need to pay 500 only for 1 year. Yeah, parang alam mo yun, they can use for school materials only like that. Pero alam ko naman na siguro afford ko naman. Kaso lang ang problema, guys, is that time ang layo-layo. Kaya sabi kong ganun, I will still continue what I learned in Mother Ignatia's school, hoping that I can have, best experience, best job that what I'm looking for. But I'm focusing for my own, daughter lately because she come and I'm decide to be of course I'm decide to be a good mom, yeah. And I hope that even that we are so far away, I hope that my daughter will be proud of me. So, guys, ang ginagawa ko ngayon sa YouTube channels ko, guys, ay to show my talent, to show what I want. Kasi, parang buhay ko ay YouTube na. At, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga taong nakilala ko bilang ako. Nakilala nila ako ng isang matinong nanay, isang matinong Pilipina, at ang mga nagsusubscribe sa akin, to all of my subscribers in my YouTube channels, thank you to stay to my YouTube channels. Honestly, I'm very thankful to have a lots of friends, and thank you to all those people who send me a comments and nice message. Thank you to all of you guys. God bless you, and I hope that you can continue to stay to my YouTube channels, and I hope that some of your friends will know me and subscribe. I hope that you can support me to my YouTube channels. And thank you so much to all of you guys. God bless you. Bye. Heart from me.